This is the one of 2500 VW Polo GTI Edition 25s, and it marks a quarter century of super minis. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where you'll usually associate the GTI suffix with the Golf, but Volkswagen has sold other hot hatches over the last several decades, and the best of the rest has always been the Polo GTI, which saw the light of production back in the day in 1998. Now, for its 25th anniversary, the performance subcompact hatchback is getting the special edition treatment to mark the important milestone. Only 2,500 units are being made, with pricing kicking off at 35,205 euros in Germany. Now, available to order from June 1st, the Polo GTI Edition 25 is all show without any extra go, since it carries over the turbocharged 4-cylinder gasoline engine. Now, the 2-liter TSI continues to produce 204 horsepower, 152 kilowatts, and 236 pound-feet, 320 newton-meters of torque delivered to the front wheels via a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Now, the hardware setup ensures a 0 to 62 mile per hour or 100-kilometer run in about 6.5 seconds. Now, as standard, VW fits the Polo GTI Edition 25 with a sport suspension that lowers the body by 15 millimeters, 0.6 inches. Now, to sweeten the pot, the folks at VW also throw in an electronic differential lock and adaptive matrix LED headlights. Now, the limited run B segment model rides on 18-inch Adelaide wheels finished in glossy black to go along with the dark side mirror caps and roof, and customers can order the car with one of the following paints: smoke gray metallic, pure white, ascot gray, reef blue metallic, deep black pearl effect, and king's red metallic. Now, save for the subtle body graphics and the 1 of 2500 logo on the sill panel trim, this edition 25 is effectively the same as the regular Polo GTI. At an additional cost, buyers can order the travel assist system that works at speeds of up to 130 miles per hour, 210 kilometers, and takes care of steering, braking, and acceleration. And a couple of infotainment systems are available to replace the standard 8-inch unit. Now, the Polo could be on its last legs, as VW warned the implementation of the Euro 7 standard in 2025 could force the company to discontinue the Super Mini. Fitting the mandatory hardware would add 3,000 euros to 5,000 euros to the price tag, making it too expensive. The confirmed arrival of the ID2 electric hatch in 2025 could also put a nail in the Polo's coffin. So with that said, what do you guys think about the GTI Edition 25? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the 2023 VW Polo GTI Edition 25. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support your channel, always check the links down in the description below. We have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. Appreciate that love. It helps keep the channel going. Thank you so much, guys. You can also check out the Ron's Rides merch and social media links down in the description below. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides news video. Peace.